be acquire bar and then addition. Okay. So first we will have to open our code editor. Send a previous lesson you share about code editor file. They create HTML file. So you use Sublime Text or your addition. So this is how it looks like. Using any bear a bit near here. So Sublime Text in any. So to be able to create an HTML file, there are 2 steps you can follow. We need to create it straight from here. And now say we will create a folder over here website files maybe. So we would create a folder, right click on an empty space and you select new in the bar, new folder. So let's make it basic website development, web dev. Okay, so in this folder I need to create nearby here for your website now. So within this folder you will create subfolders. Okay, so let's create one folder. Your best friend images. Into this images maybe I have to see add image to your website now. The images mean you keeping images folder. Let's create another one. Let's say audio. Okay, and we can create another one. Let's say video for keeping maybe a video files. Okay. So after this one, creating our ATM file. So after creating this one, you get to create this file. Now your file is as HTML. And you get to so about our code editor nearby save file. This is a new file we are creating. Okay, so you can save it and you can also create a new file. So this is a new file. You go to the file, you go to save. And you save dialog box nearby. Now while browsing to the place now you want to save it look at creating some desktop app. Now magnify okay, you're creating some desktop app folder DIFM basic web dev. Okay, so in this folder you can choose to create the index. Okay, so you have to choose the file type, which is the extension. So you can browse for HTML. So this is HTML file. Okay, so you can also do something like index.html and it will create it for you. Okay, so let's zoom out. Okay, so now the HTML file is already created. We are creating the Babel folder anymore. We're going to say HTML any. So open some extension now. Oko on the menu bar, Oko V, no file main extension. We're going to say .html. Yeah, the other come. But you okay. So after creating the HTML file, you need to get the structure of the HTML to get things working. But because this one is an HTML, immediately after I do anything I need to display, but there are correct ways of doing things. Okay, let's say my website. Sorry. Okay, now I say Oban is now with the double click one. No say you can old videos in say HTML file we create in a web browser. Okay, So on the additional, but this is not how it should be done. Okay, so let's go to our code editor. So using Sublime Text, your shortcut with me the any the structure without going through anything. Rebel HTML. No me tab. If you another create the structure of the HTML now. So know that in creating HTML file, there should be this one, which is the document type, doc type. So in HTML5 no, really easy. So after doc type no, there should be an opening tag, which is the HTML. So this is the HTML opening tag and this is the ending tag. So the difference between the opening tag and the ending tag is that with the opening tag no, there is no forward slash, but with the closing tag no, there is a forward slash. So after getting the HTML no, within it no, there should be the head and the body. Okay, so at the head side here specify most of the things pertaining to the web page, to say the title of the page, to say Google, say a shop, Google dot, Google, top on it. One thing you should notice is that there is a difference between the URL and the web page title. Web page title and the display at the top, to say there you are creative. Because here I'm creating title, I display the name of the file, which is the HTML index.html. Okay, so let's move on. Let's open our Sublime Text. So at the head side, we have the cassette, which is the basic one, the viewport showing says we should display, and making on in a way say if you read it on a tablet, it will adjust it. On a laptop, it will adjust it. On a mobile device, it will adjust it based on the device you are using. Okay, that's why we stated said the wave device with initial scale pertaining to the device you are using. And at the title side, we can say basic HTML 1. Okay, so we save it. Now call web page initial. Then you refresh the web page. Once the title, I can do anything. Okay, we don't magnify anything. Okay, once the title, I change it from index.html about basic HTML now you're typing. Okay, so the title and they show the title of web page now you're creating, and it's different from the URL. URL no one and a title. Okay, so this is what we are having. This is the structure of the HTML. It contains the document type HTML. We have the HTML, we have the head, we have the body, and body inside a whole main display no echo. Okay, so and we'll be going through some basic tags, which is we go through the heading tag and maybe paragraphing small, and we'll continue later. Okay, so we have the heading tag. The heading tag is used to create headings, and because of CSS now, you can use a different tag, the paragraph, to create headings, and you modify it. You modify it in CSS, but the professional way is to use the heading tag. So in HTML, we are having 6 headings. This is from heading 1 to heading 6. And the thing is that the smaller the number, the bigger the size. The smaller the number, the bigger the size. They say heading 1, S1, the font size, no S10, heading 2. And a heading 5, and so S10, heading 6. Okay, so let's try out with the heading. So over H1. So ubenya some hints about it, so you can select it. Note, because it's a container, it's having the opening and the closing tag. Okay, so you type what you want. Lesson one. Okay, you save it. Okay, HTML file, you can refresh it. So this is heading one. Heading one, same as here. This is the display. So you try and create all the headings. No? Then there you get to know the difference in sizes and everything. Okay, so you copy this one. Copy. You paste one. Heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, heading 6. So at this point, you'd have to change the number. Okay. Okay, you can save it so you can display to see how it looks. Okay, let me zoom out there. So this is how it looks like. So then we can first, this is heading 1, and heading 1 is switching heading 2, the front side, heading 3 is switching heading 4. So this is how it looks like. So let's try and also create a different tag. This is paragraph. Paragraph and containing our main text in HTML. Okay, so let's go to the code editor. So yeah, here it's only heading 1. Okay, so paragraph is P. P, no, P now. They know that it's paragraph. So to create any text, I would prefer create text via just for the practical sake now. What's me about Lorem. A bit create some text via and they are working on it. Okay, so this what we've created, and let's save and go to the web page and see how it looks like. The Obana only refresh a old one in the room, but refresh now Ubina the new thing you've created. Okay, so this is what you've created now as it stands in saying you are creating, and I'm trying to make it in a way that we are dealing with the main HTML. I don't want to apply any CSS editing and coloring to it. You can see the main HTML. Okay, so with this one, you can also create another text either by copying and pasting or creating it through the process we followed. Okay, so let's refresh. Okay, so this is it. So you can see that sometimes I don't know what creates you, but spacing, changing now. With this one, the spacing there, but it will still be the same. Okay, it will still be the same because almost setting in a way, it creates a single spacing within. So if you want to create another space, that you need to use other means. Okay, I hope you are getting it. Okay. So let's say at this point you want to make this one come on the next line. Okay, mommy, I do need to win. Okay, now you try to marry another next line. You marry another next line, and you open the browser, you refresh. Sorry, refresh, but the same thing. They all have but so all the joining here, obviously a break. We have a tag. A friendly break. So with the break, a big break line, or the obvious not the other test me for the meaning call another line. So BR, which is the break. Okay. So you go to the browser, refresh. Once I am saying a breaky line am I in. Okay. So let's say I want to deepen this one. You can send it deepen Venu. Send a best stand out Amamia. You can come to the browser, you can select this side. With the deepen you can use the bold, you can use the emphasize. They all make the text stand out. Meaning I different tags as you know, these are basic tags helping creating HTML file. We have the strong, we have the bold, italic, and some of the word formatting things need to say underlined, meaning you can use them here. So at this point, if I want to bolding it, I'll just tap the B, okay, and B is for bold. And one thing is that the text you want to bolding it or apply the formatting to, it should be between the opening and the closing tag. So it should be the content of the tag, okay. So the same bolding up to this point. So bold meaning balcony, balcony, and the text is inside. Refresh. You go to the browser. You see that it has been bolding for you. A bolding number anyway. Wow, open. Okay. So depending on what you want to do, you can choose to italize this one. So to italize the text is I. So I for italics. Okay. So this one to make sure say content no bar inside the tag. So up to this point we'll be able to refresh it. So you can see say this point no I italize it test name and come. So depending on what you want to do, these are basic tasks you can use in HTML. Working in HTML is easy, okay? And you can apply some formatting and changes to this one, which is creating an ID for these tags now are shown. And when you are doing an internal CSS, this CSS now will apply in the internal one now. You can use it there, okay? But you can also do the inline one, but I don't want to go there. When we get to the CSS, I will take you through that one, okay? So these are the ones we are doing for today. We've done the structure, we've done the heading tags, we've done the paragraphing, we've done the bold, the break, and even one of the tags is say there what creating this one paragraph and this another paragraph. So moving to this from this one to this one, if you want to create a line, say the line being made the hand, so you can break this one and also bring another line to say about this here. But you want to break it BR, okay? So what break line? So you want to after the breaking you want to create a line. So HR, which is horizontal root. Okay. So you can see the line above the first paragraph and the second paragraph name. Okay. So I'll leave you to practice with this one and make sure you get to the next lesson and you shall be blessed. Thank you for watching. Bye.